Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix your organization's policies are preventing us from completing this action for you. First method is, type Internet options in search bar. Click Advanced tab. Click Reset. Check Delete Personal Settings. Click Reset. Second option is, open Regedit in search bar. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Use Export option to backup registry for future use. Import option is used to restore previous backup. Click HKey classes root. Click .html. Right-click Default, select Modify. Verify that the string default value is HTML file. Last method is, using Microsoft EasyFix tool. Tool download location is given in description. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.